Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best tool set is probably one of the most essential investments for any homeowner, DIY enthusiast, or even a professional, providing the foundational instruments needed to tackle everything from minor household repairs to complex assembly projects, ensuring you're always prepared for unexpected fixes and creative endeavors around the house or workshop, making it an indispensable companion for maintaining and improving your living space with confidence and efficiency. Number 5. CARTMAN 39-piece household tool set. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for most small repairs and DIY projects. From a hammer and pliers to screwdrivers and a tape measure, it has you covered for various tasks around the house. These tools are built for durability and reliability. They are heat-treated and chrome-plated, ensuring they resist corrosion and stand the test of time. Keeping your tools tidy is effortless with this kit. It comes with a durable plastic toolbox storage case, ensuring everything stays organized and securely stored. This toolkit is designed for ultimate portability. It's lightweight and features a convenient carrying handle, making it easy to take with you wherever your projects lead. Looking for a thoughtful present? This kit makes a fantastic choice for friends and family. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, housewarmings, and any special occasion. What we like. This compact set is perfect for quick fixes around the house. Its lightweight design and carrying handle make it incredibly easy to move from room to room or even take on the go. If you are looking for a highly portable and essential kit for everyday minor repairs, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. CARTMAN 148-piece automotive and household tool set. Introducing the ultimate solution for all your repair needs. This comprehensive kit includes 148 crucial tools, perfect for everything from cutting to tightening, measuring to hammering. Each tool in the set is heat-treated, ensuring exceptional durability. They resist corrosion, staying sturdy and reliable for years to come. Forget rummaging for tools. It comes in a sturdy, blow-molded case, with each item securely housed in its own slot, making organization effortless. Rest assured, every piece meets or exceeds critical standards. This guarantees you receive outstanding value and performance with every use. Looking for a thoughtful present? This kit is an excellent choice for friends and family, ideal for birthdays, holidays, or housewarmings. What we like. Stepping up, this kit offers a much broader range of 148 pieces for more extensive tasks. It's designed to tackle both household repairs and basic automotive maintenance with its sturdy, corrosion-resistant tools. If you need a versatile and comprehensive set for both your home and car, this one has you covered. What people say. No suitable positive reviews with product details were found in the provided source. The source JSON provided was empty, so no specific product features could be extracted. Number 3. CRAFTSMAN 230-piece mechanics tool set CMM45305. This heavy-duty, 230-piece all-in-one set helps you complete automotive jobs and general mechanic fixes. It's designed to handle a wide variety of tasks with ease. Its spring-loaded locking dial allows you to open and close the drawers with just one hand. This feature also securely locks them when not in use, ensuring safety and convenience. For quick access and temporary storage, its drawers can be conveniently nested on top of the main toolbox. This thoughtful design enhances your workflow. Its sockets, wrenches, and ratchets feature a full polished chrome finish. This provides exceptional strength and corrosion protection, ensuring these tools endure for years. Every tool in this set meets or exceeds the rigorous performance and safety requirements set by the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. You can trust its reliability and safety. This system is also VersaStack compatible, offering flexible storage. It allows for custom storage combinations tailored precisely to your needs. What we like. This robust 230-piece set is built for serious mechanics and heavy-duty projects. It comes with a convenient 3-drawer toolbox for superior organization and easy access to its long-lasting steel tools. If you're a dedicated DIY mechanic or tackling complex automotive jobs, this comprehensive and organized solution is ideal. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted regarding product works, design, or features. Number 2. DEWALT 168-piece mechanic tool set EWMT73803. This set ensures precision performance. Its sockets feature direct torque technology, designed to help prevent the rounding of fasteners. You can work efficiently in tight spaces with this set. The 72 tooth count ratchets provide a 5-degree arc swing, offering optimal control. Work comfortably even on long days. It features an anti-slip driver handle to maximize your grip and reduce fatigue. Keep your tools safe and organized. This set comes with a durable case, complete with metal latches, to protect them in tough conditions. These tools are built to withstand tough job sites. They boast a full polished chrome finish, providing excellent corrosion resistance. Quickly find the exact tool you need. Each piece features hand-stamped markings for at-a-glance identification. This comprehensive 168-piece set includes everything you need. It features a wide array of sockets, ratchets, wrenches, and specialty tools for any task. What we like. Engineered for precision, this 168-piece set features direct torque technology to prevent fastener rounding and 72 tooth ratchets for working in tight spaces. Its durable case with metal latches ensures your tools are protected on any job site. If you prioritize precision, efficiency in confined areas, and robust tool protection, this set is a top contender. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted. Number 1. DEKOPRO 228-piece auto repair tool set. Crafted from high-quality steel and finished in high-polished chrome, this set ensures exceptional strength and durability. It also provides superior anti-corrosion protection, meeting or exceeding all ANSI critical standards. This comprehensive package contains all the essential tools for most small repairs and basic DIY projects around your home. It's perfect for handymen, mechanics, and anyone needing a reliable tool kit at home, in the garage, or workshop. It includes a wide assortment of professional-grade wrenches, ratchets, and a full range of metric-sized sockets. You'll also find precision screwdrivers, a hammer, tape measure, and pliers, all designed for efficiency. The 72 tooth ratchet allows for easy direction changes with just a 5-degree switch. Its variety of screwdriver bits, along with soft grip handles on many tools, ensures excellent comfort and control during use. All these tools are neatly housed in a handy, blow-molded case for effortless storage and transport. Its sturdy interior and smart organizer keep every tool securely in its place. The black case is dirt-resistant, and its unique diamond-shaped design adds a touch of style. This compact and fashionable case makes carrying your tools a breeze. What we like. This extensive 228-piece set offers a complete variety of high-quality tools, meeting or exceeding ANSI standards for strength and durability. It's housed in a handy blow-molded case for easy storage and portability. If you need a comprehensive, high-quality tool collection for a wide range of repairs and projects, this set provides exceptional value. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to extract points as requested. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.